actually works is super cool. It's insane, bro.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boot people offline on PlayStation. So we're going to need the PS Booter app. This works on PS5, PS4, whatever. So as you can see, guys, this is the app, and literally we have all the people, and you just pick someone and you can boot them offline. I can even send them a message and be like, bro, I'm booting you, so let's do that. And then just press boot, start boot, and as you can see, guys, they're getting booted right now. Oh my gosh, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to download this app. There's no computer needed. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, just so you guys can check it out. Look at this, guys. They're gonna get booted offline. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So literally just go to matrixmods.com, find the booter app, press download, and before it downloads it, there will be one more step, which is the verification, guys. So all you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading up right now. So as you can see, guys, at the end it says missing files. So you just have to download like 2 of these apps. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I mean, honestly, the main goal here is just to do 2 of the apps. It doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. If you want to boot people, there's a scanner app. You gotta search something up, so I could do that one. Travel Town, you gotta reach level 9. It's a game. So yeah, super cool. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So peace out.